died on the very end. I don't care, hit me with it.
MK now.
I'm recording, say hello.
Oh, hi.
That's actually not fair. It's actually not fair to have all this.
Pass me my sweater back.
Okay, hold up.
Anyone's last card you have to play.
Hold up. Just because it's not fair, basically you're
I'm recording, say hello.
Hi. I'm eating my grandchildren apparently.
I'm recording, say hello.
I took up the pile that we put on, but like seriously, I would
say hello, you're gonna wave.
I was gonna give you the finger on camera. Hi.
Oh my god, it's an eye!
I'm gonna have every card.
So epic!
My ass hurts.
Oh wow, I got that on video.
You did?
Yeah.
You like sliding back and forth?
No, just my ass hurts.
Oh, try that.
Why not?
Video it.
That's why we go flying. We have more leverage.
Look, it's Misty, Steven, and Squirtle.
Did you get that?
See Steven and Squirtle.
Oh, I don't know.
Did you get that? Did you get me sliding?
Yes. Hey, look, Russia!
Catapult!
Taylor, look at me.
It might end up being a catapult. That one's isn't as good as I thought it was. Title page, Sora rocks your world.
It's wrong.
I never say cheat on anyone because I always have shitty intuition.
Good workout, Sora.
Cheat.
Still stuck on my face.
You're killing Pikachu.
Too late, Shark. Put a card down.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I know.
1 minute.
Stuck on my face.
Who's still stuck on what? What? Why are you still recording?
Because! Oh wow.
Ow, my foot.
No. I'm sorry.
My foot hurts.
What are you guys num numbing?
Chocolate macaroons.
Great.
Ah!
For me at least.
Pimp cane.
Eat pimp
If you're nom-nomming the pimp cane, the implications are quite perverse.
Yes, it's going through my head.
Say hi, Natasha!
No,
Natasha!
I don't have to eat. I don't need my mouth to eat this.
We love you.
Yay!
Finish it off.
Let's just say for my breed of people, I can use this as a chair.
Breed of people, you can use it for a what?
Chair.
Oh, I did not need to hear that.
I rock you all!
Honestly, all I see when I look over there is ears.
I rock them all!
Hey, Sarah, have the instrument.
You again.
Hey, he's a mythic. He got 4 ears. I don't want to talk over.
The Pyre Rock rocks everyone.
Where'd the sword go? It's over here!
Hidden. Zip.
No. Sora! Anti-Sora! Hey!
Actually, can I be Valiant for a...
Valiant Sora?
Ask him to do anything.
There.
Yeah!
Epic battle between the two Soras! Watch out for people.
Sorry about that. Over here.
That is excellent. Do it again.
Wait, I'm Valiant Thor. I should have 2 weapons.
No, you have 1.
You're dead. Oh, hey.
So you get for not watching.
Oh, it's good.
See, I can use 2 weapons. I'm a 2-hit duel.
Song over.
I think I win.
Yes!
Victory to Sora.
Woo! Take a picture of me taking video. Woo!
That's all going on the Facebook event, right?
Yep.
I know.
It's like 4 minutes long.
I got attacked! Ow! Hold it there.
That's some good rocking.
I know, right?
Rock and roll.
I don't want to let go!
Okay, that's it.
And yes, I videotaped.
Ow! You hit the camera!
Oh god, there goes my... Still going.
But it's really like hot.
Hi!
I have a throat.
Oh wow.
And look who's on the other side.
Ooh. Okay, say bye-bye.
Stop yanking on my chain.